If your Cadillac CT5 is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. Statistics show that the vast majority of connectivity issues are caused by software glitches rather than hardware failure. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your maps and music back on the screen. Start with these quick checks to rule out the most common setting errors and cable faults. Sometimes your iPhone is the problem, especially if Siri is disabled or an update is pending. On the Cadillac side, the Q system might need a hard reset to clear its cache. If wireless isn't working, switching to a high-quality cable is the most reliable workaround. As you can see, nearly half of all connection issues are solved just by using a better cable. A full power cycle of the vehicle can often force a fresh handshake between the car and phone. Keep these items ready to ensure your connection stays stable on every drive. Remember that software updates on both ends are the best way to prevent future headaches. If these steps helped you get back on the road, hit that subscribe button for more Cadillac tech tips.